everyone, Dave from Big Bear Tools again here today. We have a very interesting new product from, well, it's called Tokyo Automac. It's made in Tokyo, Japan. And it is a rotary tool. Very heavy duty. It's quite heavy and made really to work. I mean, this is a beautiful one. I've had other rotary tools before in the past, and they just don't have the beef that this has. I mean, it's beautifully made. You can use it as a rotary tool, and you can also change it out, and it turns instantly into a reciprocating tool. Now, very simple to do that. There it is. Now it's a reciprocating tool. And we're just doing the finishing touches on Big Bear's Little Bear. Now, that's cedar wood. It's very soft stuff. But we have some oak here as well. And you can really what an aggressive tool it can be as well. But new from Big Bear Tools, this is Tokyo Automac, made in Japan, just absolutely gorgeous, top quality stuff. One of the great things about this is the quick change. I could change bits really quickly, and by the way, there's many other bits available, so have a look at our website, bigbeartools.com. Shortly we will have, this is a new product to Canada, but shortly we will have a huge variety of bits, reciprocating bits and rotary bits for you to choose from. But easy to change, very easy to change, and as you can see, nothing's happening until I touch my piece. So it's not reciprocating until I'm actually doing my work. And this saves about 20% energy. It's not a lot, but it's a good thing. So this is what you get with the Tokyo Automac carver. This is the HCT30 kit, and it comes with the rotary head as well. You get various carving tools. You get 5 of them, and some rotary tools as well. And with the kit HCT30 number A, or letter A, this is absent. So that is HCT30A. So if you're purchasing online, be careful to buy the right kit. I mean, I myself would purchase the one with the rotary head because it's very useful. But again, top quality products again from Tokyo Automac in Japan and Big Bear Tools in Vancouver.